So, no woolly hat, Lawnmower Man, Sandringham serial killer here. Can't see Simon Bailey, don't cry, and his blonde host, plainclothes lover, not true detective for details. And the true detectives, crime serious, the Lawnmower Man, satanic serial killer, the Yellow King, riding round in a white pickup, abducting children and young gals, Matthew McConaughey, Woody Harrelson, the true detectives. And it is based on actual events: Prince of Darkness, E.T. hybrid hosts, Red Dragons. And certainly no black wizard here in a Volverse day. Another very good film, Pledge Jack Nicholson, giant of a man, riding round in a black Volvo day, abducting children and young girls, called The Wizard. In order to cover up Prince Harry Potter, Prince of Darkness, E.T. hybrid host, Red Dragon, His High Royal Blue Crime, New Year's Day Find, September Blue Murder. And certainly not mine, Dis Mason Council, White Lodge. It's the local mafia, it's the local mob.